Porting your number from Total Wireless to Verizon is straightforward, especially since Total Wireless is now part of Verizon. The key is understanding that it's an intra-network transfer, which makes it faster. You're essentially moving your number within the same company. The two crucial pieces of information you'll need are your Total Wireless account number and a transfer PIN. Think of the account number as your ID and the transfer PIN as your digital signature, authorizing Verizon to take over your number. Make sure your Total Wireless account is active and in good standing. Any outstanding balance will halt the porting process. Remember, the FCC requires carriers to complete ports within 1 business day, but intra-company transfers are often quicker. Forget SMS PINs. As of 2025, Verizon requires you to generate a transfer PIN directly within the My Total Wireless app or website. Find the Port My Number section. It's designed to prevent fraud. The account number is usually on your bill or in your online account dashboard. The transfer PIN is temporary, valid for 15 days, so generate it right before starting the porting process with Verizon. Once you have both, contact Verizon via their app, website, or store and provide these details. Verizon will then submit the porting request. Keep your Total Wireless SIM active until the port is complete to avoid service interruption. If you run into issues, Verizon customer support is your next best step.